Welcome back to my channel. It's Milani Gold here. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this box braids style. So I obviously went to a braider. I did not do this myself. So I went to a braider in my city, and she did the box braids for me, and I love it so much. So I decided to record the process, showing you guys how to achieve this style if you were looking to braid your hair. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how she parted the hair and how she installed the box braids, how she gripped the box braids for anyone that was interested in learning how to achieve this style. I know it's been a while, guys, since I've done a video. I mentioned in my last video how, like, school has started for me, and I'm currently really busy, and like even filming and editing is such a hassle, but I'm gonna try and be more consistent. Yeah, thank you guys so much for understanding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the thumbs up on this video so I know to do more videos like this. Guys, don't worry, I'm gonna come up with another braiding video. Actually, I'm gonna come out with more videos on this braids that I have in. So if you'd like to see more videos like that, please hit the like button, the thumbs up on this video. Also share these videos with your family, friends, and everyone. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch the video. you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And I want to wish you guys every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success. And I'll see you guys in my next video.